Hello, my name is John Paul, and today I'm going to be taking a look at Module 4, which is Mapping the Territory. So far, there are 7 traditions discussed in this module, and they all have their own different theories about communication. So far, the traditions are socio-psychological, the cybernetic tradition, the rhetorical tradition, the semiotic tradition, the socio-cultural tradition, the critical tradition, the phenomenological tradition, and that is all 7. My objective here is to convey the relation between these theories in real life through telling a story, really just through telling kind of how it relates. Not going to go over every theory because there's 7 that would take forever, but the one that I can really truly personally relate to, I would say, would be the phenomenological tradition. So, the phenomenological tradition infers that communicators will intentionally analyze everyday experiences from the standpoint of the person who's living it. So, for example, this tradition emphasizes people's perception, kind of how they interpret subjective experiences, I would say. So I would consider myself in this kind of small niche because I find myself analyzing everyday experiences. But I would say that almost everyone in this world does that to a certain extent, to live through experiences such as, having a certain job, dating a certain person, what you spend your money on maybe, things like that, etc. Our emotional stability, though, plays a huge role in our decision-making process. For example, do you ever find yourself going through a mental checklist of everything in your life, maybe not even just material, maybe emotionally? Are you happy? Are you, content? Things like that. I tend to do this from time to time. I think everyone does, but contemplating past decisions, what led me to where I am, and where I'm going to go from here, honestly. Your own personal experiences, though, I think play a huge role and outweigh theories. Like if you hear a theory and you've experienced something that, I guess, kind of opposes that theory, then you're going to believe what you experienced over that theory any day. On the other hand, though, there's people that have, full belief in something that they've never experienced personally. So that's kind of weird in my opinion. But the only advice I really would give traditionalists, I would say, is to not overanalyze or be quick to judge another person's standpoint because you don't know what they've been through overall. But in conclusion, this theory can relate to all the people in this world, I would say, almost, who have ever asked themselves the interpersonal question about, their own personal experiences, which is everyone, I think. I would dare say that almost every single person in this world can relate to it because it's so broad. Again, but there will always be people who think differently than you. But it's your job really just to analyze that from every perspective possible, your own, their own, full encompassment of communication. That's why I like this model. But thank you for listening and have a nice day.